Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where your YouTube recap button doesn't show up on your account. If your YouTube recap isn't appearing, don't worry, this video will help you get it back. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your YouTube app using the account that you normally use every day. And then now just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, this one, like this. And then usually the YouTube recap button will appear right under your profile name over here. But if you don't see it yet, just keep watching. We're going to fix that. One of the most common reasons the recap doesn't show is because your YouTube app is outdated. So let's check that first. Just open Google Play Store. Just open your Google Play Store and then search for YouTube. Like this. And then if you see there's an update button, just update it until it's finished. And then after the update is done, just reopen the YouTube app. And then just go back to your profile page and check again if the recap button is now visible. And then next, if the recap still isn't showing, don't worry, we have another method. Just open your browser like this, and then just in the address bar just type like this, youtube.com/recap. Like this. And then YouTube recap page should look like this. You will normally see a recap button. Just tap on the button and it should automatically redirect you back to the YouTube app to show your recap. If it works, great, you have successfully fixed it. But if your recap still doesn't appear like mine like this, even after trying both the app and the websites, don't panic. YouTube recap often rolls out gradually. Not all accounts receive it exact same times. Some user maybe get it earlier, while the others may need to wait a few days for it to show up. So if it's not there yet, just give it a little time and your account will eventually update and receive the feature automatically. And okay, that's it. Those are all the methods that you can try to fix the YouTube recap not showing on your account. Just update the app and then try the recap website link, and if nothing works, just be patient. The feature will appear soon. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.